Hello everybody, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple paper airplane. I realize many of you don't want to make difficult paper plane, and you always want to have a good plain paper plane that is easy to make. So today I will show you guys how to make a paper airplane that is easy to make and is fly well. Okay, I think I talk enough. Now this is the time to start. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. And then let's flip the paper over and adjust it. Make sure that both sides are even and all edges are lined up. Oh, I just adjusted. Alright, next step, let's start from the top side forward to the center crease. Let's repeat the same fold for the other side. Looks good. And now just start from this side for the whole this part down. What will be next? I will turn the paper this way and I start from this edge. I fold this to this tip. Okay. And then I unfold the paper. Now I start from this this edge. I fold this to the crease we just made. Just adjust this. And then fold this down one more time, and that's it. Now let's flip the paper over, fold it in half, and then start from estimate about a half an inch along this edge and make a fold straight to this corner. So very simple. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Make sure that both sides are even. Rest out the paper. And then I will turn the paper this way and start from this edge. I will fold up, estimate about half an inch along the edge here, just fold it up to create the stabilizer. Repeat the same fold for the other side. We'll adjust it a little bit, just a little bit more. Okay, I may need to adjust the wing too. So for down, make the end higher than the top a little bit. Something for the other side. I will adjust it just a little bit more. And here you go. This is the paper airplane. Let's test it out. And don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.